fix KB5062553 Not Installing, error 0x800f0983, Windows 11. 1. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. 1. Press Win-I to open Settings. 2. Go to System, Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters. 3. Find Windows Update, click Run. 4. Follow the on-screen instructions. Tahad 2. Manually download and install KB5062553. 1. Go to the official Microsoft Update catalog, hit catalog.catalog.microsoft.com/search.aspx KB5062553. 2. Download the version matching your Windows build, e.g. x64. 3. Right-click the .msu file, run as administrator. 3. Clear Windows Update cache. Corrupted cache files can cause installation issues. Steps and 1. Open command prompt admin run netstop waserv netstop bits. 2. Then delete update cache sq sent winder set software distribution download. 3. Restart services netstart waserv netstart bits. 4. Try updating again. 4. Use SFC and DISM to repair corrupted system files. Open command prompt admin and run these one at a time. SFC/scanode sem online/cleanup image check health, DSM online/cleanup image/scan health, DSM online/cleanup image/restore health. After finishing, restart your PC and try installing KB5062553 again. 5. Install in clean boot mode. Sometimes background services interfere. Steps. 1. Press WinR, type msconfig, press enter. 2. Go to Services tab, check Hide All Microsoft Services. 3. Click Disable All. 4. Go to Startup tab, open Task Manager, disable all items. 5. Restart your PC and try the update again. 6. Use In-Place Upgrade, optional. This updates your system without deleting files. 1. Download the Windows 11 Installation Assistant, hflaw.com/software-download/Windows 11. 2. Run it to reinstall and repair Windows while keeping your data. SEO title,